Globalstar, a satellite communications company and partner of Apple, has announced its intention to enter the Indian market. Globalstar provides satellite-based emergency SOS services for Apple devices. The company is now planning to establish a presence in India, which it considers the largest market it has not yet entered. Globalstar, Apple's satellite communications partner, has expressed interest in entering the Indian market, potentially expanding the satellite-based connectivity services to one of the largest and fastest-growing telecom markets in the world. A leading provider of mobile satellite services, Globalstar operates a low Earth orbit satellite network, enabling communication in remote areas where terrestrial networks are unavailable. Globalstar's satellite constellation supports voice and data communications globally. Globalstar is Apple's partner for the satellite-based emergency SOS feature on the iPhone 14, which allows users to send emergency messages in areas with no cellular coverage by connecting directly to Globalstar's satellites. Interest in India. India presents a lucrative opportunity for Globalstar due to its vast geography, significant population in rural and remote areas, and the Indian government's push for enhanced digital connectivity. Satellite communication can play a critical role in bridging the digital divide in India. Regulatory landscape. Globalstar's entry into India would require navigating a complex regulatory environment. The Indian government has been cautious in opening up satellite communication services, balancing the need for technological advancement with national security concerns. The regulatory framework and spectrum allocation for satellite services are critical considerations for Globalstar's potential entry. Subsidiary and licensing. Globalstar aims to set up a wholly owned subsidiary in India. It plans to apply for a global mobile personal communications by satellite authorization from the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Earth Station Gateway. The company intends to build a land Earth Station gateway in India. This infrastructure is crucial for providing reliable satellite communication services. Regulatory approvals. Global Mobile Personal Communications by Satellite Permit. To offer satellite communication services, Globalstar needs a Global Mobile Personal Communications by Satellite Permit from the Department of Telecommunications and regulatory approvals from the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Centre. Current competitors. Currently, only Bharti Group-backed EU Telsat OneWeb and Orbit Connect India have the necessary permits and authorizations. Other companies like Starlink and Amazon-backed Project Kuiper are still in the process of obtaining these approvals. Challenges and expectations. Regulatory landscape. Globalstar expects that no new or onerous requirements will be imposed on GMPCS authorized entities as a result of introducing a new satellite Earth Station gateway license. First mover advantage. While EU Telsat OneWeb and Orbit Connect India have a first mover advantage, they can only roll out broadband from space services commercially after the government allocates satellite spectrum. Establishing local partnerships with Indian telecom operators, technology companies, or government entities might be essential for Globalstar to successfully navigate the market. Partnerships could also aid in meeting local regulatory requirements and ensuring smoother operations. High potential market. India represents a high potential market for satellite communications. With a growing demand for reliable connectivity, especially in remote areas, Globalstar's entry could significantly impact the market. Strategic importance. Establishing a presence in India aligns with Globalstar's global strategy to expand its satellite communications business and regulatory compliance in various countries. Economic implications. Expanding satellite communication services could open new avenues for economic activities in remote areas, potentially impacting sectors like agriculture, tourism, and logistics, by improving connectivity and access to real-time information. Emergency services. The introduction of satellite-based emergency communication services could enhance public safety, especially in disaster-prone or remote regions where conventional networks may be unreliable. Technological integration. Integrating satellite communication with existing mobile network infrastructure in India, especially for emergency services and connectivity in rural areas, would be a key challenge and opportunity. Ensuring the affordability and accessibility of satellite-based services will also be crucial for widespread adoption. Globalstar's entry into the Indian market is a significant development in the satellite communications sector. With its plans to establish a subsidiary and build essential infrastructure, the company is poised to contribute to the growing demand for reliable connectivity in India. Globalstar's interest in entering the Indian market reflects the growing importance of satellite communications in global connectivity strategies. While the Indian market offers substantial opportunities, the company will need to carefully navigate regulatory, technological, and competitive challenges to establish a successful foothold.